Someone's in here.
Right.
Who are you?
Who are you?
This is my home.
It's my home.
What do you mean? You can't just stroll right in and take someone's home.
I've been living here for like a week.
So have I.
No. No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah? Oh, that
You shot me.
You shot me!
Ah!
Dude, truce? So, does this mean we're gonna be living together?